Potatoes are one of the most versatile ingredients in the world, featured in countless cuisines and beloved for their ability to be crispy, creamy, or fluffy. Here's a list of the 20 most famous potato dishes, each known for its unique flavors and preparation methods. 20. Colcannon, Ireland. A traditional Irish dish made with mashed potatoes, cabbage or kale, butter, and cream, offering a smooth, comforting texture with a mild, buttery flavor. 19. Rosti, Switzerland. A crispy Swiss potato pancake made by grating potatoes and frying them until golden brown, often served as a side dish or breakfast item. 18. Gamjajorim, South Korea. Korean braised potatoes cooked in a soy-based glaze with garlic and sesame oil, giving them a sweet and savory umami flavor. 17. Poutine, Canada. A Canadian classic featuring crispy fries topped with cheese curds and hot brown gravy, creating a melty, indulgent combination. 16. Kartoffelsalat, Germany. A German-style potato salad typically made with boiled potatoes, vinegar, mustard, onions, and sometimes bacon, offering a tangy and hearty taste. 15. Skordalia, Greece. A Greek potato and garlic dip blended with olive oil, lemon juice, and almonds or bread, creating a creamy, garlicky spread served with pita or fish. 14. Aloo gobi, India. A spiced Indian dish of potatoes and cauliflower, cooked with turmeric, cumin, garlic, and ginger, offering earthy flavors with a warm, aromatic profile. 13. Papas a la huancaína, Peru. Peruvian boiled potatoes topped with a creamy, spicy cheese sauce, made from ají amarillo peppers, evaporated milk, and fresh cheese. 12. Shepherd's pie, United Kingdom. A savory pie made with ground meat and vegetables, topped with a golden layer of mashed potatoes, often baked until crispy on top. 11. Spanish tortilla, Spain. A thick omelet made with sliced potatoes and onions, cooked slowly in olive oil, creating a soft, hearty dish with a golden crust. 10. Hasselback potatoes, Sweden. Thinly sliced, oven-baked potatoes with crispy edges, often brushed with butter, garlic, and herbs for a flavorful, elegant presentation. 9. Croquettes, France, Spain. Crispy, deep-fried potato rolls, often mixed with cheese, ham, or fish, coated in breadcrumbs for a golden, crunchy bite. 8. Duchesse potatoes, France. A French classic of mashed potatoes piped into elegant swirls, baked until golden with butter and egg yolks for a light, fluffy texture. 7. Batata hara, Lebanon. Spicy Lebanese roasted potatoes tossed with garlic, chili, cilantro, and lemon juice, offering a bold, tangy, and slightly smoky taste. 6. Potato Dauphinoise, France. A rich, creamy potato dish made by baking thinly sliced potatoes in heavy cream, garlic, and cheese, resulting in soft, indulgent layers. 5. Mashed potatoes, worldwide. A universal favorite made with boiled potatoes mashed with butter, milk, and seasoning, resulting in a smooth, creamy texture. 4. Gnocchi, Italy. Soft, pillowy potato dumplings, often served with butter, sage, tomato sauce, or creamy cheese sauces, making them a comforting pasta alternative. 3. Patatas Bravas, Spain. Crispy fried potato cubes, served with a spicy tomato-based brava sauce and aioli, making it one of Spain's most popular tapas dishes. 2. Baked potato, worldwide. A whole potato baked until soft inside and crispy outside, typically topped with butter, cheese, sour cream, or bacon for a hearty, customizable dish. 1. French fries, worldwide. Arguably the most famous potato dish in the world, thinly sliced and deep-fried potatoes, enjoyed with various seasonings and dips in almost every cuisine. That wraps up our list of the top 20 most famous potato dishes from around the world. From crispy French fries to rich and creamy Dauphinoise potatoes, these dishes prove that the humble potato is one of the most versatile and beloved ingredients in global cuisine. Which potato dish is your all-time favorite? Did we miss any must-try classics? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, check out more of our food journeys. Top 30 French dishes. From buttery croissants to indulgent creme brulee. Top 30 Italian dishes. The best pastas, pizzas, and Italian comfort foods. Top 50 Most Popular Dishes in the World. A guide to the most famous meals from every culture. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food explorations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next food adventure.